In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to uniformly brighten your hand, remove discoloration which may be as a result of the cream you use or bleaching, and also to restore it back to its natural form. Hello fam, what's up and welcome to Mesiluchi page where I make videos on natural DIY. The first thing we have here, it's a cotton wool which we'll be using for the application. And secondly, we have our tomatoes. In my subsequent videos, I've given a breakdown of what tomatoes contains and what it does to the skin. Kindly check my old videos. Then we have our baking soda and carrots. These are the only three items we're going to be using for this video. So these three items are natural exfoliants which removes dead skin cells. It also acts as antioxidants and vitamins which brightens and evenly tone your skin, and also it helps to hydrate and softens your hand. So as you can see, I'm already blending my carrots. So I'm going to blend it with a smooth surface to give us quite smooth carrots. It shouldn't be very rough, it should be smooth enough to extract the juice from it. We don't really need so much, we just need a little quantity. So we are done now, and this is what we have. So we'll go ahead and extract the juice. So I'm going to be using a clean bowl. I will add in a spoon of baking powder. Then I just added an extra little quantity. After which I'll go in with my tomatoes and my carrots. So you will turn until it is smoothly blended, that the baking powder and the carrot and everything goes in together. After which I'll pour it into a container and allow it for a while. This is so the nutrients can get into themselves. Yes, it can be easily extracted and every of the nutrients, the components, will dissolve into the liquid. So I will shake slightly. So this is it. After about 30 minutes, we then go ahead to filter it. We'll be needing just the liquid. So guys, this is our liquid and this is what we're going to be applying. So I will just add a little amount of baking soda. You know, the earlier process, the earlier baking powder already dissolved and left with the shafts. So this is just the liquid. So we'll be adding just a little, then turn and apply. So these are cotton wool. You'll be using it to apply it on the back of your palm. Okay, so you can see before now my palm is already darkened. So I will apply it little by little. And see before now my hand was quite darkened, so I'm going to apply it little by little until it evenly goes round. So I'll be leaving this for at least 30 minutes. Please note that this does not just happen all overnight. No, you have to repeat this process for at least 3 days for you to start seeing the results. So this is my hand 3 days later, or okay, 2 days later I started seeing the results. This remedy works so well and it works really fast and the results are amazing. I mean, really amazing. So guys, let me know if you're going to be trying this. Let me know your results. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.